Hello, this is Arif Irfanullah. It's early October and I will share some level 1 study advice with you. First, I want to talk to you about some recent news related to the December 2020 exam. As you might know, 37 test locations have been closed due to pandemic restrictions, and this is out of a total of 193 locations. If you are registered at one of these 37 test centers, then that is unfortunate because you will not be able to sit the exam in December 2020. You will have to defer your exam to the next available date in 2021. And this will be a computer-based exam, so you will have to get used to that. Clearly, if you are registered at one of these locations, you are impacted, but so are thousands of others. The point to remember though is that this is being done for your health and safety, and I do hope and pray that things work out well for you as well as all others who are impacted by this situation. In any case, do check your email and visit the website to see if you are impacted. More exam center closures might still happen, so be on the lookout for updates if your city is suffering from pandemic restrictions. If you are preparing with IFT, then don't worry. We will provide you access to all your study materials till you are able to sit the exam. Wishing you and your family the best of health. Now, if you are sitting the exam in December, my first advice to you is about your schedule. I would strongly recommend that you try and wrap up all the topics by mid-October. This will give you approximately 6 weeks for your final review and revision. So the more you can review and practice before the exam, the better. If at this stage you are behind schedule, then you need to accelerate. And a tool that you can use to accelerate is our high yield course. With a high yield course, we provide videos, questions, as well as notes. And in a very short time, you can cover the most important concepts. So for example, with our videos, in an average of 15 minutes per reading, we cover the key points. The high yield questions identify the most testable questions or concepts from each reading. And then the notes are again summarized versions of the most important points. The notes link with the videos. Another issue that many students face at this stage is that they forget material they've done in the past. If that is your problem, you can listen to the high yield videos for material that you are forgetting, and that will allow you to refresh your concepts in a very short time. My final point is related to practice. Once you have covered the basic concepts, the key is to practice as much as possible. So as I have said before, make sure you practice all the MCQ style questions in the curriculum. Make sure that you do the practice questions that are made available on the CFA Institute website, and also work through the IFT question bank. But the key is to make sure that you are on schedule. So try your best to be done. You might stretch it a little bit if you started late, but give yourself enough time at the end to do lots of practice and to work through as many full-length mock exams as possible. That is it for now. Best of luck with your studies.